If you're stuck at $3, $5, or anything under $10,000 a month in sales with your course, coaching, or any kind of info business, it's because you're not doing what the top 5% info businesses do. I've used this to generate $1.6 million online, and it works whether you're helping people to flip houses or learn how to play a guitar. If you now were to go to a 10-year-old and ask them, why am I not making money with my product? What do they say? Because you don't have enough traffic? Because there are too many competitors? Or maybe the economy is not right? No, they say maybe people don't want it. Why they don't want it? Is it because design is bad? Or maybe your checkout page is not optimized? No, people don't want to buy what you have to sell because your offer is not solving a painful and urgent enough problem that they are having right now. It's not about if the problem you're solving is painful and urgent or not. It's how painful and urgent is it for this person at this moment. So this is a spectrum, and on the right side we'll have, most literal pain and human survival needs. Just look where your money goes and you'll have those things right there. It's like your medical bills or getting a roof over your head, etc., right? Filtering for our info businesses, this could be fixing weight loss for pre-diabetics or fixing back pain or quitting addictions. On the left side of the spectrum, we'll have less urgent stuff like learning how to play the piano. They still sell like crazy, and you can make as much money on the left side as you can on the right side. I was taking home more than German doctors at 20 years old solving how to make music problem. You see, the more on the left you go, the more nice to have type of offers you'll get that are mainly focusing on increasing people's status. So where having lower status here becomes the pain. Offers on both ends of the spectrum can make you a multi-millionaire, and both are not easy. And if you're just looking to make 10, 20 or 30K per month, it literally doesn't matter what kind of way you go if you frame and position it right. So our job isn't to technically pick a perfect offer or niche. It's to find and speak to the person inside that niche who feels that problem at 8, 9, or 10. First rule of selling is to know who you're selling to. So we never want to sell to someone that doesn't need what you're selling, right? When someone asks you, sell me this pen, you always first ask the question, how long were you in the market for a pen? And if they say, I'm not in the market for a pen, you just don't sell them, right? So it's just like the trick ends right there. So we are not trying to aim for those kind of people. We ideally find people who are at 10 and are ready to buy. We just present them the offer or educate them with content, for example, and then take them all the way to 10. What I do in my business, to give you an example, is I make educational content about music production on YouTube that attracts people who want to learn music production. 3% of people here, they always buy immediately after I present them the offer. Practically the rest of those people are between 5 and 9. And with content, I want to show them how cool it is to have this outcome of, being able to make music. And then this makes this desire go higher and higher up until they go to 10 and buy. Why renting Lambos works so well for some guys? Why cigarettes? Why yachts? Why the luxury clips that you can literally buy for $10? They drive up this emotional desire, this urgency spectrum up and up, so they are ready to buy. Strategic organic content is how I do it for the most part. And if people don't want to buy, it's about your positioning and messaging. It's how you communicate your transformation promise, whatever it is. Because there are offers about how to play piano that sell insanely well. Let's take banks, for example. They sell money. Like, how do you sell money? They mastered positioning and messaging by showing you an ad with how happy your beautiful wife is with the house you bought and the kids are in a safe car. And oops, would you look at that? We banks happen to have the money that you can borrow at a cost to get all that. Now, this is important. There are 7 human desires that every offer that sells like toilet paper in 2020 is positioned in. And if you want to get over 10, 20, or 30K per month, you must fit it in those as well. I got it from a book called Story Brand by Donald Miller. And the first desire is saving their time, money, or energy. We are all lazy, right? It's how we are built, like to preserve energy. Your customers are probably sick, as you once were in the past, of doing it the hard way and thinking if there is a better way. So you want to show and become their better way. Second one is about making them look good, so increasing their status. Your future customers want to be the person that others look up to. They want to post online and, be proud first of all, but then also make other people like whatever they've done. So when your offer makes them look good, this is the way. Then we help them feel like they belong. Everyone wants to be a part of a community, right? We all need friends and feel like we fit somewhere. Imagine your customer have the feeling of being left out. So we want whatever you're selling, make people feel like they are in a group that they belong to. For example, golf clubs do that really well, or Monaco. Then the fourth desire is about helping them become who they want to be. So that ties really, really closely to the previous one, but on a personal level, in a way where someone wants to become a golf player, they most likely just want to call themselves or be able to call themselves a golf player or a drummer, right? So if they feel like they're falling behind while everyone else moves ahead, it works even better. Ideally, they could just buy who they want to become, because they're probably tired of dreaming and they want to finally be the person they see in their head. And when your offer helps them become the person they want, they'll pay whatever it takes. And that brings us to number 5, desire. Help them make more money. Money basically means freedom, so nobody wants to, fall behind when everyone goes ahead. If your offer helps them put money into their pockets, it will help them gain this freedom, which we actually have in the desire number 6, which is give them more control and freedom. Lack of feeling that you have control and freedom makes you feel like you're stuck in some kind of a system. And people hate being stuck in a system. We would all love to say yes to whatever we feel like saying yes to. And sure, money is a part of that, but you can also figure out more ways of getting those people control and freedom. And the last one is making their life more meaningful, feeling that your life matters. Essentially, if your offer brings more meaning to people's life, they'll be fans forever. And now, if you have an existing info product or an idea for one and would like me to map out a plan on how we can help you scale to $10,000 or $20,000 per month or more, with strategic content funnels and clear positioning and all the things we talked about today, this is what I do. Click the first link below this video and book in a call with me. I'd love to help if I can. And if you're just browsing around and don't need any help, then first stop it, get some help, check this video you see on the right, where I'll show you all the pieces of a successful online business.